Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Answer the Public for affiliate FAQ content ideas step by step. Open your web browser and navigate to Answer the Public's website. Once the page loads, locate the search bar prominently displayed in the center. Type a relevant keyword or phrase related to your niche into the search bar. Click on the search icon or press enter to initiate the query. Allow a few moments for Answer the Public to generate the data. Once the results appear, you'll see a visual representation of questions, prepositions, and comparisons. To focus on FAQ content, navigate to the Questions section of the results. Here, you'll find a variety of questions people are asking related to your keyword. Take note of the questions that are most relevant to your target audience. You can expand each question to explore similar queries and variations. To save your findings, click on the download icon in the upper right-hand corner. Choose the format you prefer, either a CSV or an image. After the file downloads, open it to review the questions and ideas generated. Identify the most promising questions that could serve your affiliate content. Create a spreadsheet to organize these questions alongside your affiliate links or product recommendations. Utilize these organized questions to craft engaging and informative FAQ content. Incorporate SEO best practices as you write, optimizing for search engines. This will ensure your content remains relevant and valuable to your audience. Finally, analyze the performance of your published FAQ content for future improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.